Eclipse. First, go to Windows and open a perspective. Go to Open Perspective and Other. Select Java EE by default and open and come. Go to File, create a new, go to New and type Dynamic Web Projects. Write a project name and next and generate. Click checkbox and finish. But here seeing there is not so a content web.xml file, everything is not displayed because my eclipse is not set up by the web projects. Delete this project, come to window, go to help, select eclipse marketplace. It depend upon the internet. It's retrieving data from the marketplace. It's depend upon the internet. Search here Java developer. Com Eclipse Enterprise Java and Web Developer Tools 3.36. Yeah, and second you can go popular. Here is seeing what's need by you. And Eclipse Enterprise Java Web Developer Tools 3.36 and click install. It's taking time depend upon your internet. Here is loaded. Click confirm. It's also taking a time here and accept the license agreements and click on finish. It's taking time to install the software. Uh, then I have closed I have stopped the sharing because it's taking much more time because I have using the mobile internet. And after installing, we have create a new video for how to create a dynamic projects. Thank you.